Hi Crafty Friends, Lacey here, Cheeky Bum, back with another Scrap Diva Designs monthly release. This is for the month of August, and these will all be available up on her website on August 2nd. So I'll link everything down below. I'll at least link the website. I won't be able to link the items until they're available, but we're going to go through it and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. And make sure that you are following scrapdiva or hashtag scrapdivadesigns for more inspiration, not only from the design team and myself, but everybody that happens to use the hashtag scrapdivadesigns, so you can get more inspiration and, you know, crafty ideas. So we're going to get into it. This is a pretty big launch or release. I guess it's been about the same. The last few months have been a decent size. There is also a paper collection. I did a whole separate video for that. I will link that down below. I'll link each other's videos in the description so that you can see everything. But I really wanted to take my time and go through the ephemera and the paper, and I didn't want the video to be too extremely long. So 2 separate videos. So we're going to get into it. So this release is kind of like, I would say like school / craft and bees. But I'm so excited about so many things in this collection. This is a doozy. This is a doozy. So this first one is a double page. This is the 5x7 folio. Now, if you've known me at all, I love a good folio, and to have a folio die, you know, chef's kiss. I'm super excited about this. There are 2 pages, and I took them apart so that you could really see about how big these are. Like, it has the scalloped border with hearts. It's got layering pieces, matting pieces. It's got all of your binding pieces. There's just a lot to it, and I'm so excited for this. I think somebody on the design team has already made something on this. So make sure you're over on Instagram and you search hashtag scrapdivadesigns so you can kind of see. Or Erica will have this linked, or she tries to, you know, link all of our crafty creations on her pages and in her stories as well, so you can always go right directly to her Instagram and look and see what everybody's created. But I have seen this folio already, and it just tickles me. I just want to play with it so bad. Next up is this library pocket, and I'm super excited about the library pocket too. I love a good like tuck little library pocket. These are the 2 pieces. So again, the folio is 5x7. I didn't have to measure that. This is gonna measure about, so the tag itself is gonna be about 4 3/4, and then the pocket size is about 4 1/2. So the tag is gonna stick out of the top of the pocket a little bit. But you get your reinforcement pieces for your tag. You get different tops or like little layering pieces that you can do. It's got scalloped edges. It is very reminiscent and will go along with not only the folio, but the swap pocket from last month. I think that they'll kind of like go along with each other so well because it's the same kind of scallop. She uses the same kind of scallop on a lot of things, so they'll all be very cohesive. This is a pencil pocket, so it's a 3D pencil gift box. And I again wanted to show both pieces of these so that you can kind of see the size. And this pencil box, just the base, because you have like your top piece too, this is going to be pretty decent size. It's going to probably be, I would say, right around 8.5 inches or more. I won't know until I put it together, but this would be such a good idea if you have an artsy person in your life. I have a niece that loves drawing and coloring. This would be such a cute idea for a birthday gift, to put a bunch of colored pencils or charcoal pencils inside of a pencil box that's already put together. Like, that is just so cute. And it doesn't have to be just a pencil. It could be colored pencil, you know, anything like that. I think that this is a really cute idea. I'm really excited about this clipboard. So this is a 5x7 clipboard. You can use it with the folio, but there are so many times where we do like a loaded clipboard swap. So I think that this is a great idea. You have different sizes of the bulldog clips. And technically you can have a smaller clipboard. So there's 2 sizes, but I'm excited to play with this. I can't wait. I want to make and this will be perfect for like some flat mail too. Same way with the folio. It's on the flatter side depending on how thick you make it. But these are nice to just kind of load it up, put some embellishments on it, and go. It's also cute for like a teacher gift and stuff like that. Many, many different uses. So that's the 5x7 clipboard. We also have a new flower that looks like it's going to be gorgeous. This is a fringe flower number 2. So I'm excited to play with that. I love a good flower. This is a heart pencil. So this will be perfect to make cards for your teachers, a new teacher, a teacher in your life, an artist in your life, anything like that. This is really cute. And you get all these little pieces, your eraser and stuff, and it says thanks. No, it just says thank. Oh, thank you. Maybe. Oh, is this you? I don't know. I'm going to have to play with that. But yes, if you have a teacher in your life, this kind of goes a lot with some of the stuff that we got last year and a lot of this release too. You can make such a cute little teacher gift, teacher appreciation. This is a star gift box, star treat box. So this is going to be interesting, and it has 2 sizes, so I wanted to show you both sizes. So this is a 1-piece die. So you cut this out, and then you would fold in these pieces, leaving one flap open so that you can put your treats in. I think it was a couple years ago. No, I think it was last summer. I did a tutorial on how to put together the dollar store star treat box, and I feel like it's going to be very similar to that. So I'm going to have to play around with that. And then this is the crayon mini album. This is so stinking cute. This is so cute. It reminds me of like Blue's Clues. My boys were big Blue's Clues kids. Well, especially my oldest one. And that's what it reminds me of. It's just really cute, and it's going to be cute to play with. Perfect for making like cards for little kids, teachers, anything like that. Even if you're just wanting to do the crayon, you don't have to use the little faces. There's shapes to go with it. They have the wavy lines to make, the crayon borders. It's just really cute. I don't know. I usually don't like little cutesy, like too cutesy, but this is really cute. And I think I'm going to have to make a Blue's Clues crayon. Next, we're going to dive into all the bees. Like, oh, there's so many bees and it's so good. So we have some new bee stamps. We have Let It Be, Queen Bee, Be Kind, Be Happy. We have this one. This is reminiscent of the bee that's in the paper. I can't show you because it's behind the sticker, but those are the Be Happy stamps. And then we have some bee words. This one has Queen Bee, Be Mine, Be Kind, Be Beautiful, and Honey. And those are the bee words set 1. And then in the bee words set 2, we have Be Happy, Be Yourself, Believe in Yourself, or believe in yourself, not believe. Be Wild, and Sweet. And then this is a honey pot, and it has 2 pieces as well, honey pot mini album. So this is the main album piece, and then you have all of these pieces. You have the honey dippers, we have a heart one, and then a traditional one. You have your honey drip. It's just that's gonna be so cute. This will make a perfect card if you use the bee paper, which is super cute. Like, again, I don't like super cutesy stuff, but this paper is cute. It's very kind of reminiscent of Doodlebug a little bit, but it's really cute. It would also be really cute with any kind of Winnie the Pooh paper. It's cute. It's cute. I really, really like it. This is the honeycomb. So it's a honeycomb piece. I think, I don't know what's in this at all. I don't know what pieces you get. You get, so it's just a honeycomb, a leaf, and like this little like flower piece or bow piece, like a bow flower piece. I'm guessing so you can just use it as embellishments and stuff like that. So that's just honeycomb. Then we have some bee bag toppers, bee bag topper. So you get your stripes for the bee. I think this is like a little flower. These are the little wings. They're perforated, they're like little holes. Cute, big. And then this has two sizes. I didn't pull out. This is the biggest one, and then there's a smaller one. So this is just the hexagon honeycomb, and the smaller one, let's see, this one is 5 inches, and I want to say the smaller one is probably like 3 or 3.5 inches. So there's the honeycomb. And then we have a bee. This is a bee mini album, beehive mini album. So here is your base hive piece. It comes with a little hive, and then your hive matting piece, and one for the little one as well. So that's super cute. It's got stitch layer. That's gonna be really cute. So beehive mini album. And then you have these little bees. They have their little fly pattern, and they're shaped as hearts. So we have a smaller dash and a bigger dash, and it's just a stitched bee set. And then you got your 2 sizes of bees. And then you got these little cutie bees in multiple sizes. It's like a bee family. It just says cute bees, but it's like a bee family. Look how sweet they are. So you got 2 sizes or 3 sizes? I don't know. You got the ones with the antennas, ones that don't. I don't know. It's at least 2 different sizes. Because I think these are just kind of layering pieces. No, it shows 3 sizes. So there's 3 sizes of bees. 3 sizes of bees. Oh, this one is down here. Okay. So you got like Papa, Mama, and Baby Bee. How cute. So that is the new release for August. Again, these will be available August 2nd. I will link everything down below as it becomes available, but I will link, the Scrap Diva site. I will link her Instagram so you can go check out her Instagram. And again, make sure that you're following hashtag scrapdivadesigns.com for inspiration. And there are there's so many cute things. So many cute things in this release. I can't wait. If you use code CheekyBum, you can save yourself 10% on your order. And we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.